Composition and taking sharp photos. 1. Rule of thirds. Explanation. The rule of thirds involves dividing the image into a grid of 9 equal parts by 2 horizontal and 2 vertical lines. The main subjects are placed along these lines or their intersections, rather than at the center. Application for balanced images. Placing subjects or points of interest along these intersecting lines or lines creates a visually balanced and more engaging composition. It guides the viewer's eye naturally across the image. 2. Visual weight, triangles, eye lines, balance. Visual weight. Explanation. Visual weight refers to the elements in a photo that draw the viewer's attention. Larger, brighter, or high contrast elements tend to hold more visual weight. Application. Balancing visual weight across the frame ensures a harmonious composition. This might involve positioning a smaller subject against a larger but less visually weighty background. Triangles. Explanation. Using triangular shapes within an image guides the viewer's eyes. They create flow, leading the viewer's gaze throughout the photo. Application. Incorporating elements in the frame to form triangular shapes aids in directing the viewer's eye and creating a pleasing composition. Eye lines. Explanation. Lines or shapes within an image that direct the viewer's eyes toward the main subject or points of interest. Application. Use leading lines, curves, or directional elements within the scene to guide the viewer's eyes to the main subject, creating a more engaging composition. Balance. Explanation. Visual balance involves distributing visual weight and elements within the frame to create a sense of stability and harmony. Application. Achieving balance involves positioning elements or subjects in a way that complements each other, avoiding a sense of imbalance or clutter in the frame. Sharp photos. Focusing techniques. Utilize autofocus or manual focus to ensure the subject is sharply in focus. Adjust focus points and depth of field for the desired sharpness. Stable shooting. Use tripods or stabilize your camera to prevent blur caused by hand movements. Minimize camera shake for sharper images. Optimal aperture. Select an appropriate aperture to achieve the desired sharpness and depth of field in the photo. Use of shutter speed. Employ faster shutter speeds, especially when capturing moving subjects, to freeze motion and maintain sharpness. Post-processing. Refine sharpness and details in post-processing tools to enhance the overall sharpness and clarity of the image. Engaging photos. Experiment with angles. Try shooting from different perspectives and angles to create more dynamic and interesting compositions. Negative space. Utilize negative space to bring focus to the main subject and create a more impactful composition. Applying these techniques requires careful observation of the scene or subject and a thoughtful approach to composition, focusing, and post-processing, all aimed at achieving a desired visual outcome or narrative in your images.